All right, do we have healthier meal options? Sure. How about a nice tomato salad? Tomato caprese. It's cheap, tastes good, a lot of flavor. It's one of those things I like to eat in the spring and summer when we got fresh tomatoes and stuff running around. I like to use the colorful ones. They all taste about the same though. And for this, it's just tomatoes, basil, and we're going to use marinated mozzarella and olive oil and herbs. The only thing we really season it with, I like to use the coarse sea salt. You can also dress it up some with some balsamic vinegar if you like that. This goes together quick. And if you have leftovers out of it, you could also get like a French baguette or something, cut it open, and toast it and make you a nice bruschetta. It's basically the same recipe, just one's on bread, one ain't. It's cold here today, had to turn on the heat. It'll be that crappy kind of year where you have the heat on half the day and the air conditioning on the other half, probably. All right, so we got our tomato split. But I could just eat basil like a rabbit. I love that stuff. And with stuff like this, when you got herbs, I like to just roll it up. So this will go in on our tomatoes. Now, with fresh mozzarella, we're going to have to drain a lot of the oil off it because it comes with a bunch. Kind of stick together. You got to bust them apart as you get them out. But this is one of them things you can eat fresh. You don't really need to make in advance. I like to use the coarse salt, give it a little crunch. That's about all there is to it. But yeah, we do healthy too. It's not as fun as frying something in grease though.